Hello everyone and welcome to the course on Fundamentals of Image and Video Processing 2ECOE01. This is an open elective course that is offered by Electronics and Communication Engineering Department to the students of Chemical, Civil, Mechanical and Electrical Engineering 5th semester. So in today's class we're going to have an introduction to the course and we're going to look at the overview of the course components, the syllabus and the evaluation methodology. The outline of the talk would be, we would see the course structure, we would take a look at the syllabus and in detail the image processing that we would be doing, the outcomes of the course, what we expect you to learn once the course is taught to you, the reference resources, how the course would be evaluated, and what are my expectations from you as a part of assignment submission, list of some journals and massive open online courses related to the subject. How would we be studying this course? So how I would be taking your submissions, how I would be giving you the reference resources. So we would be using the learning management system LMS and the course website for this. And finally, even though this is a lecture only course, but image processing could not be well understood if we do not actually do some hands-on with the images and try to find our way out with the topics that we are studying. So we would be using MATLAB for this course and we would be analyzing, evaluating and transforming images as per the contents of the course. So this is a lecture only course where we'll have 3 hours per week and hence the credit of the course is 3. The outcomes would be, I like to go through the course and I'll match the outcomes with each of them. So first we would be studying the image formation, the structure of human eye and the representation of image. The second unit talks about spatial and frequency domain filtering techniques, where we would apply some transformations on the image and we would try to analyze the image by doing contrast stretching, histogram equalization. We'll blur the image, we'll sharpen the image, and we'll do filtering techniques on that. And the third unit is talking on compression for standards for image and video. Compression need of the day, need of the century, because the amount of data that we are actually capturing and storing cannot be processed or cannot be transmitted, transferred or stored if we do not compress them, right? It would require high computational power and storage capacity if I'm actually taking that raw data. So we're going to study that in unit 3. So that maps to our course outcome 1, where we would be applying spatial and frequency domain filters for image enhancement. The next is image restoration, where we would be studying the degradation models, the noise models, and then we'll try to restore the image back. Fifth unit, color image processing, where we will see the fundamentals of color, the color channels, the different color transformations, YC, the cyan, magenta, color space, or you talk about YCBCR, or you talk about hue, saturation, intensity, pseudo color processing. So this goes to your course outcome 2. And as well as we can demonstrate the use of image and video processing for applications based on this. Next is morphological image processing, edge detection and segmentation, where we would be applying different erosion, dilation, closing, opening or structural element processing to detect the morphology, or we would do edge detections to extract the edge information. It could be vertical edges, horizontal edges, or canning edge detector and acquiring all the edge information. So that would be your course outcome number 3. And for the last unit, object recognition, where we would study different boundary descriptors, regional descriptors, we would again map our course outcome 4 with this course. So in detail, these are the just simple examples of what we would be studying in the course. The reference books, not limited to these, but yes. And the course evaluation methodology, we'll have 3 quizzes, sessional or comprehensive exam, and special assignment leading down to 100 marks, from where 60% of continuous evaluation will be considered and an SEE of 40% weightage. Assignments. So as and when we would be studying the topics, we would be having small simulation exercises based on each of the assignment. And probably as a part of special assignment, I hope that you all identify an problem from your domain or your area of engineering and try to solve it using image and video processing. So I hope to see you in course now. Thank you. Some journals related to the area of image processing, the NPTEL course that is available, the massive open online courses related to our course. How would we be studying? So we have WebEx meetings scheduled. Else we would have LMS wherein I would be giving you information, you would be submitting the assignments and so on and so forth. The course website, and we would be using MATLAB, the license that our institute has for our image processing operations. So when you do, you can simply do it on the web, online. Where to get the images from? So these are some reference resources that you can refer to, find some standard database or some exclusive data set depending on your applications. So welcome, let's get started with the course. Thank you.